We're going to play a game. It's called What Do You See? And it's something, a picture is going to come on screen. And then based on what we think we see, we're going to be handed a piece of paper that's going to tell us a little bit about our personalities. Okay?
So,
good.
Suppose we see what we see there.
That's a bird. With wings on its eyes. What do you see now?
It's obviously not. It's obviously not what we think we see. Obviously, or it wouldn't make no sense. So we look like.
You see a lion, Landy? I guess you could. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a lion.
It's a lion.
It is a lion.
Yeah. Look like a
Number
cat
one?
almost. Yeah. Number one, a lion.
It's most likely that you're always getting to the root of things and you are not afraid of facing your strongest fears. You are a very brave person.
If we saw an exotic bird, perhaps sometimes you're a bit lightheaded and in some situations even irresponsible. So you wouldn't see the bird. At the same time, you have a creative personality, which is true, and a desire to change the world for the better, which is true.
Whatever.
But you are lightheaded and irresponsible.
Never been. Never been.
Number two.
Could see two crocodiles or alligators, or what else could you see looking at that?
Again, it's obviously not what we think. So that is actually.
How you see a bird in this? Where are the wings?
That actually look like it's all two pieces of land too.
I thought about that as well, but I still can't see.
I don't see the bird.
In the middle?
Yeah, the middle. Yeah. A duck. It's possible that your life consists of emotional impulses. You often have rapid mood swings and you tend to make decisions abruptly. What?
It's supposed to be number 3. 2 crocodiles. It's more likely that you're always trying to keep the situation under control and be in charge of everything. However, you are not a brutal tyrant, but rather an attentive manager, chief, or leader.
That's you. A bird. Perhaps you don't mind being led through steep and toilsome ways of this life to the stars. This doesn't mean that you don't have your own opinion, but you yield to others and try to make a compromise quite often. That's why you're so frank and sociable.
Are true?
Me did say bird. You did say crocodile.
You did say bird?
Yeah. That's what I said. I said bird.
My word. Okay. So I guess we can skip the next one since we have the answer already. And go to the one after that, Kerry.
No, put the 2. Make us see what it is. Put number 2, please. No, she said. That's a duck.
Or a what? What was the next one?
The duck or a rabbit.
A rabbit?
Where rabbit there?
Oh, yeah. If you look the other way. Yeah.
We still not see the rabbit.
Yeah, see the ears in the back? Just picture where the ears are.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I guess. Put up the next same thing, please. That look like the back of a dog, but it's a dog. It's the front of a dog. See the dog head there? See it?
Where's the
see
dog's
the blue?
head?
The blue is the dog. You see it? What's up? No, you can see like a tail and a leg.
Oh, and you can also see...
Yeah.
Oh.
The head.
So see
a dog's snout. It's more likely that you started analyzing the picture in a regular way, from left to right. This doesn't mean that you're an ordinary person, but emphasizing your logical way of thinking, a natural bent for consistent analysis of reality. And you probably managed to see the second image when you had reached the right side of the picture. Yeah, I saw that. Where's the next part?
Dog's leg and tail. If you analyze the picture from right to left, or if you noticed its ambiguity, immediately you probably like more original decisions. This doesn't mean that you can't use logical thinking. You just like applying a creative approach when you're trying to resolve a problem.
Yeah, so we got that right.
All right, so let's see the last one.
Batman and Robin. Or 2 teeth.
It's 2, yeah, see Batman and Robin, but you also see a face of a
cat.
like a, Is it a cat?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
A cat.
Look like a superhero type. Is
Then
it Batman?
How long me say Batman?
Oh, there are two masked men in the middle, but then there's also a face of a... Oh, it is Wolverine.
Yeah.
Okay. It's superhero. Wolverine, you're probably a big fan of Marvel. Nothing pleases you as much as enjoying Tony Stark's charisma, Captain America's great endurance, or Wolverine's heavy look. Batman. It's more likely that you're a fan of DC, with its dark streets of Gotham City and first-rate super evildoers, and of course you adore the Dark Knight. Okay.
I'd like to do this till about 10 o'clock. This is incredibly exciting, I think. We don't have any more pictures?
We have a break? Let's take the break and come back and wrap.